Hello learners, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. I welcome you all to this channel where we will study about our chapter 3, that is fiber to fabric. I hope you all are excited to know that what is new in today's class. So as we have discussed already in our previous video that today we will discuss about jute fiber and also about the process of making fabric from yarn. So stay tuned, and also please like and subscribe to this channel, and let us start our today's class. In previous video we have discussed about cotton fiber. Now today we will discuss about jute fiber. As we all know that jute is obtained from the stem of the plant, whereas the cotton was obtained from the flower of the cotton plant. Unlike cotton, jute is cultivated in rainy season. Some jute producing Indian states are Bihar, Assam and West Bengal. The plant is harvested during its flowering stage. The stems of these harvested plants are then soaked in water for 4 or 5 days. What we just have to do, we just have to wait for the jute plant till its mature, we can say flowering stage. Then we have to just cut down the stem and we have to soak the stems in water for 4 or 5 days. When we will soak the jute stems in water for 4 or 5 days, the stems then will rot in water, and fibers can be picked then from hand. So by performing these processes we can obtain jute fiber from the jute plant. Now we will discuss about that what processes are performed to obtain a fabric from yarn. Okay, there are two major ways of making fabric, by which we can make fabric by using yarn. These are weaving and knitting. So first of all we will discuss about weaving, then we will discuss about knitting. So weaving is the process of entwining two sets of yarn simultaneously to make fabric. The process is done using a loom, which can either be operated by hand or by machine, and that interlace two sets of yarn at right angles to each other. Now we will discuss about the knitting process. Knitting is the process by which a single strand of yarn is used to make a piece of fabric. As you all have seen your grandparents performing this knitting process at your home, socks, sweaters, mufflers and a lot of other winter's clothes are made of knitted fabrics. Knitting can be done by hand as well as by machines. I hope you all have seen your parents performing these processes at your home, and as you all can see this in the figure also. So these were the two processes by which we can make fabric from yarn. In our next video we will discuss about the history of clothing material. Till then, stay safe, stay at home, and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.